For this next use case, there's actually a blog post detailing everything that happened during the flow of this particular execution because it's so interesting and it highlights the speed and power of the Coralogix platform so well. So check out this blog post, Coralogix Alarms Faster Than WAF IP Detection and Remediation, written by me, so hopefully the writing is satisfactory. But this will give you some idea of what's actually happening in the Coralogix system that I'll talk about. But I'll give you a quick overview now anyway. So what we do is we essentially have what's called a new value type alarm. Once again, if you're not familiar with the new value type alarm, check out the Getting to Know Coralogix course. I'll stop saying it now. What we do is we say, find me all logs where the malicious value has been set. Essentially, get me all logs representing malicious traffic. Filter by CDN and Fastly, so we're focusing on Fastly logs right now. And we're going to say, track this malicious value in the last 24 hours. In other words, if in the last 24-hour period, a new malicious value has appeared or a new malicious IP address has appeared, trigger this alarm. And when you trigger this alarm, you can add downstream webhooks. So you can actually update WAF rules and add a new IP to the block list. So what does this mean? The flow is simple. New malicious IP address is detected, fires an endpoint, which is an AWS Lambda function, and the AWS Lambda function updates AWS WAF to block that IP address. Now, in the blog, we actually talk about this in some detail, but essentially the whole process takes about 20 seconds for the alarm to trigger. There are many different ways to do this. In this particular blog post, what we did was we actually defined an immediate alarm for the same value. So this will trigger on duplicate values, but there is a cooldown period. So if there's a spike, it won't do a massive trigger or anything like that. It's kind of up to you. But really, really nice way. It means that in about 20 seconds, you go from seeing the IP address for the first time to blocking it in AWS WAF. This is coupled with the exceptional propagation of rules in AWS WAF, which is really, really nice, actually really powerful. And what it means for the customer is that they are not waiting for blocks to happen. Coralogix is automatically helping them orchestrate that with a combination of enrichment and very, very powerful, very fast alerting. Remember, Coralogix is based on a streaming architecture, which means that all of our analysis happens upfront in-stream. This in-stream analysis means much, much faster alarms. For comparison, many of our competitors, their alarms fire in minutes. Our baseline right now is around 10 seconds and is up to about a minute for particularly slow periods, but that's very, very rare. In all of my benchmarking, I've typically seen an average of about 15 seconds. So very, very fast alarms to tackle these exact issues. It's purpose built for this kind of thing where every second really matters.